folks, we are doing The Glass by Foo Fighters, requested by Charlie Lafferty over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. If you don't know what Patreon is, check the link below. Now I'm going to show you two guitar parts to this. The acoustic parts, which then become kind of a distorted guitar part. I'm going to play them all on an electric, but you can do the whole lot on an acoustic, so treat it as like an acoustic version if you like. And then I'm going to do the noodly arpeggiation stuff over the top as well, right? It's standard tuning. I'm using this Karel Longbottom. It's a UK built guitar. I love it. It's really good for a bunch of stuff, but especially clean stuff, really sort of jangly cleans, because it's got Sunbird pickups. Do check them out. Another UK small, operation, but they make incredible stuff. So my clean tone is going to be neck pickup. That sort of stuff. Then I'm going to use the 91 for the next part. And then I'm going to go to bridge pickup for that next part, right? For the chorus, okay? That's it. So the verse is a 4-bar phrase. We have a bunch of chords, but they're all pretty straightforward. F sharp minor to a D. E major, back to the F sharp minor. D to A sus2. You repeat it round, okay? So the rhythm though plays like that. So let's break that down, okay? So essentially, all hands off there when you change, okay? And you're just gonna, that's really, really quiet, that second root note. Then to the D. Take your second finger off there, right? So down, up, down, off. Both off again. And you do 2, down, up, and then change to the E. One more time. Same deal with the E. Okay, same rhythm, right? But you go to the F sharp like a 16th note later. So we have... Again. Okay, then we go D to A sus2, which is basically like an A with your little finger off. So we have... And I would cover the E string here with my thumb just to allow myself a lot of strumminess, because it doesn't matter if you hit it then, right? You go around that a couple of times, and then the other guitar part plays that bit, but the it's like a bridge, right? But the other guitar part plays like that. Plays it around twice. So we have this B chord, basically power chord with the open B. You could play the open E if you wanted, but I'm just aiming for those 4. So we have 3 eighth notes, a little whack to the E, 2 whacks, and then we go to the F sharp minor with this rhythm. It's always very rhythmic, isn't it, with Dave Grohl's strumming. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, whack, whack. Like that. Play that around twice, okay? And that leads into this next section. We're building towards the chorus. So we have... that's building into the chorus, etc. So again, that section we go G to D. Okay, it's the same as we were doing between the D and the A sus2, right? And again, you do that for 2 bars. Then we go to this B minor. Rhythm's very similar to the F sharp in the previous section. It's just you got 2 there. Then back to the G for 1 bar and the D for 1 bar, and we're building to the chorus now. So we have... Okay, so a bit of dynamics there. Then we're into the chorus, so put your overdrive on for this bit. We're going to do A to G to D, but that's the first time then changes. The second bar then always goes to F sharp minor, and it's a 3 times round affair. So we have... That's the first time. Second and the third time then are... And then we're coming out of the chorus then with the G and D. That rhythm one more time, clean. Like that. You repeat it then right round from the beginning. Those are the 3 main parts, right? There's a little solo break as well, once you've done that round again, which goes... And if you hadn't noticed, it's the first bit of the verse. And then you go into this part. Okay, you could do... if you wanted to, but I think it's here. And then you're straight back into the chorus again, which is basically same as we did before. This is chorus 3 now. Then the second and third times obviously go to the F sharp minor. And after those 3 times, same as before, G to D. And then we go back to the acoustic, and it's, or clean tone, and it's the outro, which is basically partial verse stuff. So we have... And then we go... So we have 1 time round of the verse basically, and then... And you end on the F sharp minor. So those are the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at the second guitar part. Pickup I would suggest, and you're going to play this. Play that round twice, okay? So again, same chords, F sharp minor to D, up to E, little slide there, but you can keep the same shape. You're just moving it up a fret and down a string. Back to the F sharp. F sharp minor, then we go back again, and that's just going between D and A, but you've got this slide. Then we've got the bridge, and we have That's the first time. So it's a grace note hammer-on. Okay, a little sus 4 there on that. Then we go to this. This is an F sharp, right? So we're playing over that chord. Okay, second time is just rings out like that, okay? Then we put in a little bit of dirt. I'm using the 91 again, and we have okay, so we have down, 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 up, whack as you travel up, down, down, whack, whack. Like that, and then again we're building up into the chorus now. We go to the B minor, down to the G, up to the D. Like that. All together then you'd have and we've got this like arpeggiated part, which is again, that's the D, right? A to G to D. And then the second and third times, if you remember, go to the F sharp instead. So again, A to G. Subtle variation, okay? So that twice, and then D. That was G to D effectively, and then you're back into another verse. The pattern changes. You don't do the again because the distorted guitar or the overdriven guitar remains. So we have so the chord pattern's the same. You're just playing 2/8 notes on the root, palm muted, and then the chord. Pretty straightforward, okay? And then we go back into this. And then we have it's a slight difference, right? But we go same as before. I use my thumb over the top here and then fret those 3 notes, right? Okay, twice round of that, then we go okay, same 2 chords again, and again we're building into chorus 2 now, so we have the B minor, down to G, up to D. Again round the chorus. Second time though you play again up to the G. We're going into the solo now, so we do so the solo's coming in on the 4th beat, right? Then so that's the first beat of the next bar. So 1, 2, 3. Then you go straight back into chorus 3. So it's pretty straightforward. 1. Right, slowly. Flatten your first finger there, it's tricky. pull off from the 5th to the 2nd. Same again, just the next string down, 4 to 2, and then, or you could do an open, or, you know, you could use the open string there rather than the 4th fret. Up to you. Then round. 3rd chorus is exactly the same. And then again, 2nd and 3rd time. And then we go back to our clean tone for the outro. We do... we have little triplet there, so that's on the first beat. 1, 2. So I hope you've enjoyed that one. See you again soon.